Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This is the first time I'm talking about Safemoon in this particular channel. I have been talking about so many cryptocurrencies and stocks in this particular channel, but this is the first time I'm talking about Safemoon, even though I have been following Safemoon for some time. But I think this is the time when I talk about Safemoon because when I'm looking at the chart, I think this is important you to understand the current chart, where it is going, what are the support, what are the resistance. At the same time, if you are a long-term holder of Safemoon, why you should be bullish and you should be holding Safemoon for a long time. At the same time, what are the big things or the big risk associated of Safemoon. So all things will be covered in this particular video. If you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So first of all, the name sounds good, Safemoon. We always talk, let's go to the moon. So this thing will take us to the moon safely. Anyway, I'm not going to talk a lot about the coin because I think from other YouTube videos, most probably you know about Safemoon, but this is a new token which came, I think, almost 85 to 90 days. It's a new coin, it's a new token, definitely yes. The good thing about Safemoon is whenever someone sells their token, so 10% of that get aside and 5% tokens are burned and the 5% are redistributed within existing holders. So the good thing is if you're holding Safemoon for long term, without buying you can gain more and more coin because people are selling and you are just getting from there. So this is a good thing, I like it. The other thing is most probably this is the only token in the world where it is used as a currency. So I will also talk about this. Anyway, let's look at coin market cap. So just looking at that thing, you can see this is now audited. So basically the numbers are audited, the supply and everything. So the current price is 1 2 3 4 5. So 50 and 4433, and currently it is down by 6%. Look at the market cap, 2.6 billion, and the fully market cap will be 4.4 billion, right? So it's a big number. Look at the volume in last 24 hours, the volume is up by 21%. Also look at the supply. Just come down at the chart now. Looking at the chart, you can see it started sometime in March, I guess. Then is it March? Yeah, all time is March. So it was relatively flat. So what happened, like around this time in May, mid-May, it went to the moon. Like you can see how it went up. And let's see what happened. So we went up here around this area, then it came down again, tried to go up, came down, and now it has been coming down and down. But the good thing is, even though it is coming down, you can see the rate is lower and it is opposite. So it's not coming down, it is reversing. Maybe I will just move to another chart to show you better. Yeah. So I don't know, there is no tool to draw any line. Normally in this channel I draw lines to show you the support and resistance. Let me know if there is any other platform where I can draw lines on Safemoon chart. But other than that, like you can see, like if I can draw a line here, you can see there was a downtrend, and at that point we broke the downtrend, we went up, and again we are coming down. And we know about the cryptocurrency market, like with Bitcoin, the king of cryptocurrency, everything is coming down. So it is also important to look at Bitcoin price, because I think next few days will be very important, because during a weekend cryptocurrency market becomes more volatile based on my observation. So if Bitcoin cracks its support, it might come down. At the same time, Safemoon might come down. But other than that, you can see that it has a massive run. I think it was around 40 this area, some kind of consolidation around this area, then a massive run to all-time high of 0.40, then 12, then it came down, then again some kind of consolidation, then it came all the way to 20, 22 around this area. And why this is so important, if you look at the line, I can't connect, but look at the bottom of those lines, right? So whenever it will come around, let me just a little bit more. Yeah, so whenever it will come around 23, I think this is a good place. If you want, you can buy some coin At the same time, look at the level here, 35.40. This is the area I think some kind of consolidation can happen. But again, I want to wait till it comes to 35, sorry, not 35, 25 area. Because if I zoom out, you can just look at the lines here, right? 23, 20, this area, like 19, 20. So you see the bottom of the wicks and the top of this one. So this is a very good area. It was a resistance before around 20 mark, then it became support for so many times, and again here. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so many candles here. So the good thing or the bad thing is, if you're a long-term holder, if it comes to 20, just grab more and average down. I think if the 20 thing is broken, then this thing can fall even further below around 15 area. Again, you can see 15 is the top of this area, which is the resistance, then it became a support at this point. So 20 and 15, keep that in mind. On the other hand, if it goes up, I think around 50, this area you will get some resistance, then again around 60 and so on. So anyway, I'm not talking about a quick swing trade because the cryptocurrency is so volatile, and if you are really a long-term holder, then the only thing I want to suggest is buy more if it comes down, but at the same time only invest the money you want to lose, because this thing is so volatile. It can come down, so many things can happen. So only invest the amount you are willingly, you are okay to lose, right? So now let's go back from the chart and let's look at some other things. So most probably you know about this. So Safemoon sets out for Africa, and what it says in tweet from May 17, Safemoon announced preparation for an official setup in Gambia. This is the very first time like working with the government. This is the very first time. So CEO has launched Operation Phoenix, which seeks to set up Safemoon office in the Gambia, while the name is blah blah blah. A follow-up tweet that Safemoon will not replace the Dalasi, which is their fiat currency for Gambia, right? But instead it will be another tool in their forward-leaning innovative efforts. So that's a good thing. It's a big thing. I don't know how many coin or currencies have a partnership with any government, or maybe this is the first time. Please let me know if I'm wrong. I'm very interested to know. But most of the meme coins, they do not have any utility, like, but this one is something different, right? They are setting up for something different. Also, there is something Operation Phoenix. This is also important. Phoenix, yeah, this is also important. And in a nutshell, what is this? They are coming up with Safemoon wallet. They will have Safemoon credit card. They will have their own exchange, new office, everything in a nutshell. So this is something big is coming, and especially if you're a long-term holder, then there is more reward for you, like more and more people. At the same time, I would recommend you to follow their Twitter page. They are very active. And today I was just looking at one post. Now they are talking about to list Safemoon in Binance, and we know that whenever something is listed in a big exchange, then it gets like really a real push. We looked at Shiba Inu, it was listed in Binance, and it just doubled. So anyway, keep an eye. At the same time, just look and see what's happening. They are very, very active. The team is very, very active. Okay, the next thing I want to show you the holders of Safemoon token. So you can see here, if I'm just ranking for holders, so you can see the big number here, which is 41.7%. So this is a burned wallet. So basically 41% of the tokens are burned. So I'm not talking about this. So with time you will see more and more burning, and you will see these things are increasing and increasing. So that is different thing. But these are the big whales I'm talking about here. So you can see that it holds 3.3% of token, and it holds almost, so maybe 33 billion, I guess. Yeah, 33 billion, 26 billion, 20 billion. So these are the big numbers, right? And you can also see their value of their current holding. If you click on analytics, you can see their transactions, how they are adding. So the thing is, they are just adding and adding and adding, so which is good. But at the same time, is it good if what happens if they just sell all of their tokens here? So if 33 billion tokens are sold, so one thing is good, that once something will be sold, like a big number will be sold, 5% will be redistributed. So if you're a long-term holder, definitely you will be benefited. At the same time, for this kind of massive sale event, you will see a drastic change in the token price, and if you're long, you can always grab more. As long they're holding is good, even though if they sell and you see a drastic change, good for you. Just buy more token at a cheaper price. At the same time, you will get more free tokens, right? So this is what I wanted to show, but again, there is the biggest risk, like if what happens, like if the big holders, big whales, they are just selling everything and everything, and this thing can drastically drop the price of the token. So this is also important, like when we talk about the bullish case, this is also important, you know what's coming or what might come. So this is the first video. I'm not gonna spend a lot of time, but I just want to hear if you want me to make more and more videos on Safemoon, on technical analysis and the recent news. In that case, I think I will just continue my journey with Safecoin. Otherwise, just looking at the chart, seems like it came down, found some kind of support and moving sideways, some kind of consolidation, but we do not know, it might come down, and if it comes down, I will just buy more. So anyway, my friend, this video is mostly talking about Safemoon and introducing Safemoon to this particular channel. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and have a nice weekend. Bye.